Hi, welcome to you all for another healthcare session. Today I am going to tell you how to take care of your liver. In these days, you can see every other person is having stomach complaints such as acidity, heartburn, fatty liver, stomach pain, indigestion, etc. Needless to say, most of the people begin their day by consuming a lot of medicines as a daily ritual in the morning. It is really an unhealthy practice. Have you ever thought what could be the reason for that? The entire world is getting sick day by day and they are bound to be the slaves of the medicine, which are nothing but the sheer chemicals. Well, one thing is very common, that most of these patients are having a damaged or malfunctioning liver. Yes, I mean their liver is not properly functioning. The reason, many of the items what we eat are having toxins in that. Right from the vegetables to the packed food what we get in the market, everything is adulterated and toxins are bound to be a part of our diet. And what about the so-called fast foods? I know you all are very much aware of the hidden dangers in that. Here I am going to give you a simple and yet very effective way to protect your liver forever. We hardly do anything to take care of our liver, right? On the other hand, we are very much worried about our eyes, eyebrows, hairs, nails, nose, teeth, heart, lungs, kidneys and all other organs. Apparently, we do not give any importance to our liver in our day-to-day life. Do you know our liver is the largest organ inside our body which never quits working? If it quits working, I need not tell you what is going to happen next. It works every second. It never quits working. It never takes rest at all. Liver is doing more than 500 odd functions inside our body. You know, it is the largest chemical factory in this universe. It produces more than thousands of different types of enzymes. If you are having any trouble in the heart, definitely you will have a liver which is not functioning properly. In these days, many of us are having either alcoholic or non-alcoholic fatty liver, right? So, it is high time to think and take care of this brownish organ which weighs about 1.5 kilos. Normally, we think of our liver when we get jaundice. I would like to say jaundice is not a disease at all, but a warning sign that your liver is not functioning properly. So, when you get jaundice, be careful. Here is a special drink which can promote your liver health for sure. It's a time-tested drink. Trust me, this drink will take care of your liver for your entire lifetime. Poovarush. Have you heard of this name? Yes, Poovarush is the only answer for your liver care. It is commonly known as Indian tulip tree or Portria tree. These trees are abundantly found in South India. Even in the roadsides too, you can find these trees. In Sanskrit, it is known as Parisha. It is known as Paris people in Hindi. Its botanical name is Thespesia populnea. Come on, let us see how can we make a liver protecting drink out of this tree. All you need to do is just pluck out ripened leaves from this tree. When I say ripened, it is the yellow colored leaves before it is going to dry. Hope you follow what I mean. Take just 4 leaves. I mean the leaves which are in yellow color. Wash them thoroughly. Then cut these leaves into small pieces. Now, take a steel or mud vessel which can accommodate about 10 to 12 glasses of water. Kindly do not use aluminium vessel. Pour 10 glasses of water into the vessel. Then add these leaves too. Keep this vessel upon the stove and let it boil. Once it starts boiling, bring down the flame into sim mode and put a lid upon the vessel. Let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Your healthiest drinking water to safeguard your liver is ready now. Isn't it a very simple process? By all means, it is not a hectic task at all. Use this water as your regular drinking water for your entire family. I am sure that your liver will be healthy. You can give this to your kids when they are going to school too. Puvaris leaves, especially those ones which are about to dry, yellow in color, are having a lot of antioxidants which can protect our liver. It is a rich source of vitamin B, which is very much essential for the smooth functioning of our liver. If you are having fatty liver, it will be cured by simply taking this water regularly for 1 to 2 months. If your fatty liver gradation is more, then you can eat the tender leaves of this tree in the morning. The fatty liver will be cured. Definitely, you will be out of fatty liver. Apart from this, you must take care of your dietary intake too. You should not be so rough on your liver. Make sure that you limit your alcoholic intake, as alcohol is the number one enemy of your liver. And do not forget to carry out your daily workout. Especially a workout system which enhances your oxygen intake. Beware of those over-the-counter drugs. Those drugs you randomly go and buy from the pharmacy. Even those tablets you take for your common cold can be fatal to your liver. Do not forget to include fruits in your diet. Cut down your fast food and packed food intake. Your carbonated drinks and cola can damage your liver to the maximum extent. If you want to take care of your kidneys along with the liver, all you need to do is just add 5 grams of wild chili powder when you are boiling the water. Wild chili is known as marsh barbel in English. So, in nutshell, Puvaris leaves are for your liver care and wild chili powder is for your kidneys. Now, your drinking water will take care not only your liver but your kidneys too. Hope this is useful for you. Thank you for listening to me.